Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to find people on TikTok using their phone numbers. So first of all, launch TikTok app on your mobile device. Now once you come here, go to the option of friends at the bottom. Now, in order to find people using their phone numbers, you have to connect with contacts, which means that you would have to allow the access to your contacts on your TikTok account. So, after giving TikTok the access to your contacts, you would be able to add certain people listed on your phone's contacts using their phone number. So this is the one way you can do it. And if you go to the search option, you can see that there's no option here to find people through their phone numbers. However, if you search for certain names, you can filter the search results. So if you go to filter, you can see various options here. You can search people by their username or types of profiles and even through number of followers they have. However, there's no option on TikTok to search people by entering their phone numbers on the search bar on your TikTok account. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.